and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. As y'all can see, your girl is in a new setup. Listen, I'm just trying to figure it out, okay? I'm trying to get it together, and baby, like, for right now, this is where it's at. But tell me, y'all, this is doing a little something for your girl. This is a little cute now. This is a little cute. But as you guys can see by the title, we are doing our cash envelope stuffing for our first paycheck. So baby, let's get into it because we ain't got what time to waste, and your time don't need to be wasted, okay? So let's get on into it. Okay, y'all, so I went to the bank and I got me my coins or whatever. So let's get started. So for my cash envelopes, right, we're gonna start off with the groceries because we love to eat. I love somebody. So the first thing is groceries, and groceries is getting $75. So that's a 50, a 20, and a 5. Okay, so that is 50, 70, 75. Okay, and that is groceries. Oh, I had some money left in groceries. Hold on, let's, put them together and see how much groceries has in total. So right now, groceries has 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, $83. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, so groceries has $83, and we about to go spend all this coins up. Okay, somebody, let's go. Fuel is getting $50 because y'all, and that's the whole 50. Child, when I tell you I was just moving and shaking, and so fuel, ooh, he ain't got no extra money. Fuel has been used and used, baby, okay? But anyways, that was fuel. Fuel's getting $50. Crown is next, and Crown is getting $10. So that is 110, and Crown has nothing in there prior, so it's just $10. We're gonna put that in here. Okay, next is allowance. Let me tell you, okay, we love to have it filled, but baby, it needed to be brought down a little bit because your girl's paycheck has changed, and so like her allowance has changed. I really wanted to keep me at $100, per paycheck, but the way how my bills is set up, can we talk about it? Anyways, allowance is at $30, and that's a 20. That's a 20, and that's a 5 and 5 ones. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's put that there. So now allowance has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, like I said, I would love if allowance used to, be kept at $100, but child, the bills, they be talking, okay? And ain't nobody gonna be coming checking for me at my door, so we gonna have to do what we got to do. Anyways, that is allowance. Next is household, and I'm starting to put money in household and toiletries because, child, we gotta start somewhere, okay? Otherwise, we'll never start. So they're getting $5, and household had nothing prior to this, so that's cute. That's cute. So this is household. Toiletries is also getting $5 because what? They needs the coins. So toiletries has nothing before. Let me go up so y'all can see. Toiletries had nothing before, so I'm putting $5 now in there. So that's cute. Clothing. Looks like nobody likes her, so she is not getting anything. She is gonna stay empty for now because I just said I don't need no clothes for now. Winter is coming, but your girl is ready to go, so it's okay. Support a friend is getting $20, and so that's a full 20 right here. And support a friend right now has nothing, but we got to buy the stickers for October, and y'all, I have not decided who I'm gonna support yet. Support in the front, so yeah, it's cool though. But $20 is in support a friend. Right now YouTube has $10, it looks like. Let me take it out. Hold up, let me take it out. YouTube has $10. I feel like I'm gonna put the money in the front, I might change that. So right now YouTube has $10, and YouTube is getting $5, and that is a $5 bill. So that is now 15 in YouTube. So let's put that there. Okay, next up is going out, which she is not going nowhere because outside is still acting up, so we gonna stay inside. Hello, somebody. Business is getting $10 right now. Business has a 20, so I'm gonna give it a 10, and so now business has $20 and $30, which is cute. We love to see it. Hello, hi, how are you? Okay, so now business has $30, so that's close. And then miscellaneous has $10, and that is a 10. That's 1 10 and 5 ones. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is 5 6 7 8 9. Ooh, hold up now, wait a minute. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 is now in miscellaneous, so that is cute. So that is miscellaneous with $10, and that is it for my cash envelopes, guys. They are all filled and ready for the week. Hello, can we talk about it? Good girl. Now let's move into our sinking funds binder. So this is our sinking funds binder. Okay, and we don't got a lot, but we got enough. So first, we are putting money in home, and home is getting a $10 bill. So that is 110. Put that in there. Okay, next up is travel. Travel is also getting $10. Listen, we got to share the love where the love can be shared, and that's what I did with these. They weren't getting a lot, but they were getting something. Okay, that's all that matters. So travel got $10. Car maintenance also got $10. So that's the 10 right here. And I don't count my sinking funds until like the end of the month or whatever. We just do a one count of the month to see what our update is, but it is what it is. So car maintenance got $10 as well. Let's see who's next. Oh, Christmas is next. So Queen's B-Day is not getting anything. If you don't know, this is my birthday and we not feeling her until January. Fam's B-Day is not getting anything for this paycheck. Christmas, yes, she's getting $15. So that's a 10 and a 5. Okay, so that's $15. So we're gonna put that in Christmas. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's cute. Then next, Jamaica Vacay is not getting anything. Next up, we have Christmas bills, and Christmas bills is actually supposed to get $1. Okay, supposed to get $1, but I have 4 on here, which was my bad. Christmas bills is actually supposed to get $1. So this, I'm gonna figure out what to do with it. I might just put it back. These are prop money for my sinking funds, so I'm just gonna put them back. But Christmas bills is getting $1 because did you go to the store with this? You can spend it. Okay, well, maybe not this because it's prop money, but if you go to the store with $1, you can get like a Snicker bar or something. So it is what it is. So that is Christmas bills with $1 added to it. And that is it for my cash envelope stuffing. That is it. That is all. There wasn't a lot, but there was enough to get me through until the second week. This is enough to get me by for the next 2 weeks until I get to my next paycheck. So guys, it feels like I'm living paycheck to paycheck with these bills and everything in between, but you know what, you gotta do what you gotta do, and it's cute. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay. You know, don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real. So budget on, sis. And you know, if you do enjoy this video, if you do like the content here, I hope you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessing. Okay, guys, so I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you want to get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.